In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a promo code on Temu. Using a promo code can be a great way to save money on your online shopping, and with these steps, you'll be able to apply any promo code with ease. Let's start by heading over to Temu's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in temu.com. You'll be greeted by Temu's dynamic homepage showcasing featured products and offers. Once you've made your way to the website, the next thing you'll want to do is sign into your account. To do this, locate the Sign In Register option, which is typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it. And if you already have an account, enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register first. Just follow the straightforward registration steps to get yourself set up. With your account ready, it's time to have some fun shopping. Browse through the vast selection of items available on Temu and add the ones you're interested in to your shopping cart. As you shop, you can view your cart to keep track of your selected items. Once you're satisfied with your choices, it's time to check out the cart. Look for the charming little cart icon, often located at the top right hand of the page. Click on it and then hit checkout. You'll be directed to the payment screen, which will show all the items you've chosen along with the taxes, delivery fees, and any other potential charges. Here's where you can save some money by using a promo code. On the payment screen, keep your eyes peeled for the box that says apply promo code. It might take a little searching around if you're new to online shopping, but it's typically situated near the total amount. Now get your promo code ready, whether it's a digital promo you've received via email or one you discovered during a promotional event. Carefully enter your code into the designated box and click the apply button. Pay attention to the total amount to see if the discount applies. You should see the discount reflected almost instantly in your total price. And there you have it. You've effectively learned how to apply a promo code at Temu, thus maximizing your savings while enjoying your shopping experience. Remember, each promo code has its own terms and conditions, so make sure the one you've got is valid for the items you wish to purchase.